Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Explorer Jamie, and today I'm here at the beautiful Gokak waterfalls. It's Karnataka's Niagara, falls from a height of 180 feet. So this is my third episode of Gokak waterfalls. In the previous episodes you must have seen the drone shoots and even how to get in to Gokak falls. I have given you those details, and now I am here at the base of Gokak waterfall. Here they have actually started new kayaking. Mr. Ayub Khan, who is a social activist and environmentalist and also an adventurer, who started kayaking in Gokak, which would be useful for many tourists. Definitely this would help because it's a beautiful site where people can actually just go near the waterfall and just have a look at this beautiful waterfalls and enjoy the nature here. So I'll just take you around to the waterfalls. I don't know how well I will be able to get those videos. It's just because the closer you go to these waterfalls, there are chances that the mist falls onto the cameras, and we are trying to just shoot this as much as possible, and I'll just bring those coverages to you. Right away we will just go to that.
ಏ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೊಡಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ 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 ನೋಡಿ, ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ
ನೋಡೋದ.
ಈ ಥರ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡಿ. ಗುಡ್, ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ज़्यादा फिट ना को हमने तू बैठ इसमें. वो वाइट एंड ब्लू लेकर क्या पैडल दे, ब्लैक, दोनों ब्लैक दे दो. ओ गोकाक से कोई फ़ोन आया था, दे आर कमिंग. छोटा फ़ोन दिया ना तुमको? हाँ स्पीक टू देम. ओके,
कुछ गोवा से कोई कॉल आया था.
अच्छा,
तो वो बोले मैं गोवा में हूँ, इधर से कितना देर लगता है हमको? तो 6-7 घंटा लगता है करके बोला. तो नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊँगा तब आऊँगा.
वाइट ले ए,
कल मेरा
white.
फ्लाइट हो सकता है.
हाँ दूसरा नंबर ले. नहीं वो ले, वाइट वो ले. हाँ वो ले, खींच ले. This is Ayub Khan here, and we are into adventure sports, and we are blessed to have Gokak as an adventurous point for everybody. From last 30 years we are doing these adventurous activities in Gokak Falls area, and touchwood we have been known for that. Here with Mother Nature we are just trying to introduce to the local people how beautiful Gokak is. You can see the Gokak Falls very clearly. So everybody try to see Gokak Falls from a distance. So we are giving an experience to see it from a nearby, where it is with quite safety. The kayaks are all professional kayaks with all safety gears we have, and all our teams are all well trained to take the any call. As we are into rescue operation from long, so we know all the terrain and the activities very well. And with the help of the people around and the government and everybody, we are just doing this happily. After a long, we are just taken this call to the public of Gokak and their surroundings. The people who come here for seeing the Gokak Falls, they can see it closely, and they can have a good experience of doing kayaking. We do kayaking, we do zip lining, we do zoomering, rock climbing. We make people do all the adventurous activities here. People come from Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, throughout. So now it is for the Gokak, where we are doing it for everybody for on daily basis. From morning 9:30 we start till evening 6 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, the charges are around 300 rupees for half an hour per person. If he is taking for an hour, we are giving a discount on 500 rupees per hour per person, with all the safety gears and everything. So we are at Gokak Falls, the beautiful falls you can see there. Look at the Gokak Falls. The mother nature is क्या बोलते, opening her arms to क्या बोलते, accept you and make you feel happy, and it is giving us a chance to enjoy the mother nature. See the wind blow, it will not allow us to go inside. James, see the mother nature, man. It's a very different heavenly experience. Thank you, mother nature. Love you. Thank you. See, this is Gokak Falls near Belgaum, Karnataka. It's been called as Indian Niagara. The height is around 180 feet and 3 times of its width. So this is Gokak Falls. James, yeah. See the vibration of the water. It is totally changed. So that's the reason we क्या बोलते हैं थोड़ा इसको इधर लिमिट ही करते हैं लोगों को. Hamdan. Wait. Done. I don't know how many have come, but this is the most heavenly experience what we come here for. Yeah. The end of the day, na? Yeah. Yeah, side में you need to hold it up wide open. Yeah, first here pull, then again pull. Full पानी में डाल, you need to push the water back, then it will take you ahead. That is breaking. You need to push it back, push the water with full strength. Then only the kayak will move forward like a rocket.